bass fishing. I heart Jägermeister.
I heart my wife and my wonderful children. I heart radio.
The verdict is in. Listen, I am gonna preach. I'm hitchhiking, going somewhere and you can bite me. So I hold my head up high, yeah, I'm listening to the guy tell me all these lies about signs. Yeah, I hold my head up high, think that I won't tell a lie, I wanna stand right with. Anyway, we'll never be royal in this torn up town with no postcode envy. 'Cause all I see is tigers on a golden leash. Never seen a diamond in the flesh. 90210, come on, California. Dreaming Sunday morning. Would you shut up, Lordy? You're in my head. Should have been dead on a Sunday morning, telling myself I am in. I'm in the middle of traffic and I got road rage and habits and I'm texting, I'm flexing my muscles. Yeah, I ain't really hitchhiking, but I'm telling a lie on the stand. Don't ask me why. I cried out to God, seeking only His permission. Listen here, nigga, I don't owe you nothing just because you're my sister. And the priesthood and the monks and all the sisters. Listen here, I don't owe you no opinion. Now sitting there party and you're rapping with the nuns today and you think you are ashamed. Now you're sitting around her telling me you won in the game of spades. Now you're smiling because you came across me too many times. Let's go our separate ways. Make my day, Hail Mary, make my day, do to hear it today. Give me the celery, make my day. Ain't got no time. Listen, this town ain't big enough for the two of us. Ain't got no time.